Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Update with the error code 0x80244011 in Windows 11 computer. So this error often reflects issues such as difficulties connecting to Microsoft Update servers, possibly due to network constraints or service interruptions. Alternatively, it may signal problems within the update mechanism itself where corrupted data or misconfigured components prevent successful executions. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear delivery optimizations files. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And once you open up this Windows settings, and then a left side menu, and then you need to select system, and on right side, and then scroll down and select storage, and then click. So here in storage, and then next step, then you need to select temporary files and then tap. So here at temporary files, and then next step, then we need to find and locate this delivery optimizations. So scroll down and then locate this delivery optimization files, and then you need to check this box. And the next step, then scroll up and then click remove files and then continue. Alright, so finish temporary files cleanup. Okay, so after here at Windows settings and then close, and the other solutions we will do is to enable or restart relevant services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run and pop up this run. So here in box, and then you need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc and then click OK. And then once open up this services at services local and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows Update. So you need to scroll down and then select Windows Update. So all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then if it is already running this service, then you need to select restart. But if the service is not running, then you need to go ahead, double click and select properties. So since this service is already running, and then click restart and then wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and then we need to double click. And then here at general properties, startup type, and then select automatic and then click apply and then click OK. Alright, and then next step, so we need to find and locate this background intelligence transfer service. So scroll up and then we need to find that background intelligence transfer service. So same procedure, you need to select and then right click and then check if it's already running or not. So since the service is already running, and then click restart and wait again to complete the restart process. And after that, so we need to double click. And then here at general properties, startup type, and then select automatic, click apply, and then click OK. Alright, and the last keyword that we need to modify is to find and locate this cryptographic services. So we need to select and then right click and then check if it's already running or not. So since this service is already running, and then click restart again and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, so we need to double click again. And then here at general properties, startup type, select automatic and then click apply and then click OK. Alright, so after here at services, and the other solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. And then once open up, at left side menu and then select system, and on right side, and then you need to scroll down and locate troubleshoot settings and then click. And then here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And here again at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update. And on right side, then you need to click this Run. And wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Alright, so the scan is also complete, and then we have problems found regarding this Windows Update issues. And the other one is already fixed. These missings are corrupt. If this problem is fixed, then you click yes, but if not, then click no. And also, you can view the detailed informations about this issue. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And then here at Start menu, and then we need to restart, alright? Okay, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80244011 in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.